So we're about to go in with the cannula.
Okay, that's the part I don't like. So you go further down. Why do you go further down? Like, usually when I got it done, they were way up.
And just a couple of things. You haven't had any dental work in the past 2 weeks, though?
Oh, no.
I'm just gonna do a couple little markings.
Sorry, you can move the hair.
Do you see how here you're a little flat?
Mm-hmm.
There's almost like this like shadow that like extends downward into the cheek and the medial cheek. All right, love. So we're gonna start by first supporting this little area, okay? This has numbing in it. So it's not gonna be painful, but you're gonna hear like a little bit of like a scrunchy sound, a little bit of pressure, but it shouldn't be painful. Okay, so we're gonna lift you up a little bit here. Sorry. How's that feel?
It's good.
Nothing too crazy. You want to make sure, yes. You see how that already kind of softened you up a little bit? We're going to just follow this back. Just give you a little more support.
I'm a pro now. Nothing hurts anymore.
Oh, you're good. Or it's just my soft touch.
Yeah, I think that's
gentle.
I'm pretty gentle.
I can see what you're doing now. I can
you?
see.
Because her under eye isn't super hollow. So if we keep just filling it, that's when you're going to get some puffiness in that area.
What do you feel? Do you feel like pressure?
Yeah, it's a little bit of pressure.
A little bit, right?
Little stings when she like
Pokes in, but
yeah,
manageable.
Definitely. After getting the nose done twice,
I got this.
I think I'm good. That you see my eyes watering up with the nose. Oh my gosh, my eyes waters easily.
Yeah, the nose is a little spicy. Let's take a look. Girl, you look good.
I love it.
Yes, I'm gonna just add a little bit of support here.
Okay.
And you don't need very much, so I think this kind of goes to show you how a little bit of product can go very far when it's injected properly.
Is it making my cheeks bigger?
So you're gonna have a little bit of swelling, but what it's doing is because you have like almost like that little line that extended down, there's like separation under the tissue. So it's just adding that support back into where it was.
I'm a bleeder, by the way, so don't worry.
You're actually not that, no, you're actually, I've seen worse.
I probably was the worst when I first got
Really?
it. Yes.
There was blood.
It was a
Was
lot.
there?
Yeah.
Lots of blood.
There's a lot.
Just numb a little bit, like a little dab. You're gonna feel just a tiny burning.
Oh, hurts a little bit.
Just a little pressure. And I'm gonna go in a little bit here, just to soften it up on that side. Then we'll move back a teeny bit.
Okay.
But the cannula is really soft. You do swell a teeny tiny bit more with the cannula, but in terms of bruising, there's like very little to no bruising with it because it's not sharp. gentle and blend. And use Kiss for you under the eyes today.
So you go further down. Why do you go further down? Like, usually when I got it done, they were way up. So can you explain to them why? Because they're probably gonna ask.
So usually when you're treating only the under eye area or the tear trough specifically, we're staying pretty high up, okay?
Okay.
But in some cases, when you've already treated the under eye area, and if you still have some residual volume there, the areas surrounding the under eye, like your medial cheek, tend to look a little bit more volume depleted or hollowed out a little bit. So by adding a little bit of support in those underlying structures and then refilling that area, you won't notice like a bulginess or a puffiness in that area. There's just a more cohesiveness and a nicer flow between the medial cheek and the under eye area.
So because you're putting in things to support the, okay. So that's why you guys, I know you guys gonna ask me, that's the reason.
Yeah, a lot of our patients ask, so they'll treat one area and then they'll notice that another area, like they'll notice more volume loss. And typically when they do the under eye, it's the medial cheek, or if they do the cheeks, it's typically the under eye. And it's for that reason specifically. So in cases where our patients are able to treat both areas, we prefer to do it together because the results look a lot more natural, a lot softer, and then you won't notice those other areas.
So the is it kind of like cheek injections or no?
Yes. Yes.
So it's kind of like cheek injections, you guys.
So we're about to go in with the cannula in just a second.
That's the part I don't like.
No one likes it. Oh my
What
god.
does it feel like?
It just feels weird, like pressure. Huh?
Do you feel it moving around in there?
It just feels, I don't know, like, it's just like a weirdness.
It's interesting because the cannula, it's just kind of, because it's not sharp, it doesn't just go through the tissue right away. There has to be a little bit of like tugging and pushing.
I see.
Yeah.
So that's a lot of that is what you're...
Can you hear it when it's happening?
I don't know if I can hear it, but it's just like a weird, like, it's almost like puffing your skin up.
Yeah.
But it's like a weird puff.
What the heck is going on?
It's like pretty weird.
Yeah, it is really weird.
So I kind of hate that part.
Can we see the
I'm
cannula?
sorry, but the results are so pretty. See how it's kind of like blunt shape? Like it's a blunt tip. One likes it if that makes you feel better. You're almost done.
Yeah.
You're done in like a minute. Part is done.
Ooh, you guys, this looks great. I love it.
I'm gonna put a little bit of bacitracin in. This is just to prevent any like bacteria making its way into these little holes.
Okay.
They like blood, right?
They do.
Okay.
So I like to put it in my videos.
Okay, good. I'm gonna apply just a little bit of pressure there.
We're gonna do the after video, get up, and then we'll do after photos as well.
Okay.
I just have to give a little pressure on them. Is this the
Oh yeah.
It'll stop eventually.
Yeah, it will.
Yeah, I'm just a bleeder.
I'm like that. Are you anemic?
No.
Okay. Oh, wait, no.
Just put ice on it.
So you got some
It is
blood,
soft.
yeah.
Grab me
did
a
you
little bit
taste
of
it?
ice. Yeah, there's like the nice soft ones.
Yeah, the ice will stop it.
Oh, it looks so pretty.
You want to go with us?
That's normally what happens. I put the ice on it.
And it'll stop.
Mm-hmm.
You're like, I've been through this in drill.
Like my whole life, anytime they did anything, shots, anything,
Yeah.
they're like, oh, she's bleeding so much.
Oh my gosh. Okay. Yeah. And then a little more on this side. Okay. Let's pull it up.
Yeah, it looks good.